So in this tutorial, we learn how to create a project folder, a file, and also open the terminal of your VS Code. So double click on the VS Code shortcut. So how do you create your first folder? Click on the first icon of the sidebar, the file explorer, and click open folder. So we have to create a folder. I'll create mine on desktop. Click desktop and click new folder. So we'll give a folder a name, project. So double click it to open it and click select folder. And our folder has been created. So to create a file inside our folder, click on the first file icon, the new file, and give our file a name. I'll name it demo.py for Python and press enter. And our file has been created. So we can run a simple program. I'll type using the print method. So print, in parentheses, quotation. So my name, Edwin. So how do you open the terminal? Click on these three horizontal dots and click terminal and select new terminal. And you can see that we have opened our terminal. And to run our code, all you have to do is just click on this play icon. And you can see that our code has been written out. So we typed Edwin and our name has been printed out. So that's how to open your terminal, create your folder, and also a file. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.